Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use open invoice and collection reports in QuickBooks Online. These reports are essential for keeping track of unpaid invoices and managing your accounts receivable effectively. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to the left navigation panel in QuickBooks Online. This is where you'll access most of the core features and tools available in the platform. Once you're there, click on Reports and then select Standard Reports. This section houses all the pre-built reports that QuickBooks offers, making it easy to find the financial data you need without creating custom reports from scratch. Now, in the search box or report list, type or select Open Invoices. This report is incredibly useful because it displays all unpaid invoices at a glance, showing you exactly how much is outstanding and when each invoice is due. Open the Open Invoices report to view this information. You'll immediately see a breakdown of which customers owe you money and how long those invoices have been outstanding. To customize this report to better fit your needs, click Switch to Classic View on the top right, then click Customize. This is where you can tailor the report to show exactly what you need. Start by setting your desired date range using the Report Period field. You might want to view invoices from this month, last quarter, or any other specific time frame that helps you track your cash flow more effectively. Next, modify the columns if needed. You can add or remove fields such as customer, invoice number, due date, amount, or aging. The aging column is particularly helpful because it shows how many days an invoice has been overdue, which can help you prioritize which customers to follow up with first. Once you've made your adjustments, click Run Report or Apply to refresh the report with your custom settings. To see collection details, check if the Collections Report option is available under the same Reports menu. This report provides a more focused view of overdue invoices and helps you identify which accounts need immediate attention. Use this report regularly to track overdue invoices and follow up on collections effectively. By staying on top of these reports, you'll maintain healthier cash flow and reduce the risk of unpaid invoices slipping through the cracks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.